Hello, where are we now? Well, I haven't vlogged for a few days. It's now Tuesday. I think I last vlogged on Wednesday. I mean, there's only so many ham sandwiches I can show you. But basically, I've stuck to around about 1,000 calories a day, maybe 1,200 on me up day, about 700 on me down day. But let us just show you this. So this dress is a dress that I got in me, I think it was my very first Boohoo haul. And as you can see, when I first got it, it was really tight. And now, it's alright. It's like, ignore the dust on the mirror. But it's like got a split front here. I'm feeling quite good in this today. I'm quite happy about that. Doesn't look too bad. So, like I said, 2 weeks ago, was it 2 weeks ago? Well, about a week and a half ago when I got on the scales, I can't remember what I was. But the lightest I had ever been was 14 stone, 13 and 3/4 pounds. I got on the scales on Wednesday and I was back to 14, 13 and 3/4. Then on the Saturday, which is like me official weigh-in day, I was 15 stone and 3/4 pounds. So from Thursday to Saturday, even though I'd ate less than 1,000 calories on Thursday and Friday, I'd managed to put a pound on. How that works, I have no idea. This is why my body is just weird, so I try not to sort of like take the readings for gospel and try and not let it put us off dieting, because it's soul destroying really when you think, well, I've put a pound on, but really I haven't put a pound on. It's Tuesday today, I'm off to work now. I'm going to take a ham sandwich, shocker, and I'll check in with you probably nearer the end of the week, because like I say, there's only so many ham sandwiches you want to see. Hello, what day is it today? Oh, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. Good news, I got on the scales this morning and I was 14, 12 and 3/4 pound, I think. So I was absolutely buzzing with that. So it's kind of spurred us forward that it's actually moving, because I was thinking, am I just going to be stuck at blah, blah, blah? Am I just going to be stuck at 15 stone forever? But I think it's finally moving. But you can see how much my body fluctuates. So like a couple of days I was 15 stone and now I'm like 2 pounds. I don't think so. So what I'm going to do is just try and get weighed almost once a week and just take whatever the lightest figure is. That's my plan. So today, I haven't had any breakfast this morning. I've just had a cup of tea. I wasn't that hungry. And I've got me box salad for lunch. So I'll show you that when I open it. So here is my salad. And this time it actually come with egg. Apparently that was a glitch in the matrix. It should have actually had egg in the last one. So it looks slightly better when it's put on the plate. Well, hello, today is Thursday and it's another, just notice how dirty my back window is there. Yeah, so today, I got on the scales this morning. I'm going to tell you, I can't bear that dirty window. I know you're not supposed to get weighed every day, but hey, I'm only human and I did get on the scales again this morning because I wanted to see if me 14, 12 and 3/4, which I'll put in pounds, because I think it's only the UK who works in stones, so I'll put it in pounds for you. I can even put it in kilos. So yeah, so I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just a blip. So I got on the scales this morning, and even though yesterday I had a salad, I had a ham salad, and then I had a ham sandwich and a packet of crisps for me tea. I also had a banana and a Kit Kat, and that was all I had to eat all day. I somehow managed to put a pound on from yesterday. So that is just how ridiculously stupid my body is at weight. So this is why I'm trying not to focus too much on the numbers, but I am really. I mean, I am starting to feel it in my clothes, and a couple of people have actually noticed that I've lost weight, so that's a really good feeling as well.
I haven't really been showing you what I'm eating every day because, to be honest, this is turning into the ham sandwich diet. So, I mean, if that's something that you want to see, let us know in the comments below. I will show you everything that I eat, or write it down and do something at the end of the month, or something like that if you desperately want to see. But to be honest, I'm just doing what works for me, eating the foods that I like, because I'm quite a fussy eater, and I'm just thinking this is just a short-term thing. When I eventually get to goal, I'm gonna eat like what I would eat on Slimming World, because I think that's a really good healthy way of eating. And when I'm on Slimming World, I always maintain, so that's my logic. I'm thinking, well, if I can just get to my goal, then I'll swap on to Slimming World and just follow Slimming World, and hopefully I should maintain, because that's all I ever did with Slimming World anyway, was maintain. Unfortunately, I can't lose on Slimming World. I'm one of the few who can't. You know, some people like, you know, I had 3 sausage rolls this week and followed Slimming World, and I've lost 2 pounds this week. Oh, yay. No, that's just not me. I'd be like, I looked at a sausage roll this week and I've put on 5 pounds. I've waffled on long enough about a ham sandwich and a pound loss. So I'll check in with you soon. Well, it's official weigh-in day today, and I have some, well, it is good news because I've actually lost weight. So I've lost, I think it's a pound this week. I've lost track because it's a couple of days later, but who's counting? It's official weigh-in day. Let's just go with that. It's official weigh-in day, and I have lost another pound. So in total, that makes me 14 stone 12 and half a pound. So in 22 weeks, I've lost 22 pounds. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I was going to take all my measurements, but I think I'll do that in the next video. And also what I'll do is I've got to, I'm going to get the bikini on that I had in the Aprilia haul, because I didn't really take a bra and knickers type of before, because I just felt really fat and, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put those 2 videos side by side, just to see if you can see any weight loss. My clothes definitely feel a little bit smaller. I would say on the top, I'm fitting nicely into an 18. On the bottom, I'm still a 20. There's no way I'd fit into an 18 on the bottom, even though I've lost like 22 pounds. So I haven't really gone down a dress size. So in the next video, what I'll do is I'll do all my measurements, and because I did write down my measurements beforehand, and then I'll try and put those 2 videos side by side, and I'll try and move the same way as I did in the video. It might turn out not the case, but that's what we're gonna go for. And you know, if I feel like I'm just on the ham sandwich diet, so I think I'm just going to refer to it as the ham sandwich diet. But basically, I'm just cutting calories, and I'm just doing what works for me. I'm just doing what works for me. But if you do want to see pictures of me ham sandwich every day, then please let us know in the comments, and I'll gladly oblige. Good morning. We are midway through November. Well, I say midway, yeah. Almost midway through November. I was editing some of the vlogs that I've done for me weight loss. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the video up at the beginning of every month for the previous month. I think that's probably going to be the best way to do it. I mean, like I say, it's not fantastic weight loss. It just is so slow going. I got on the scales the other day and I was 12, I wish. I was 14, 11 and a half. That was on, I don't know what day that, I think that might have been last Thursday, and where we're now, we're Thursday now. It might have been Saturday. But this morning I've just got on the scales and I was 14, 12 and a half. So I've put on a pound, but I know I haven't put on a pound. It's just a fluctuation in my body. Can't have put on a pound for the amount of calories that I've consumed. I did have a couple of hungry days. I mean, yesterday, a typical hungry day for me. I'm saying a hungry day for me. It couldn't have been more than 1,500 calories. So for me, I didn't have any breakfast. For me lunch, I had a jack potato with sausages and beans. There was probably about, I'd say, 1.5 sausages in it. So if you want to work out the calories, so it was about 1.5 sausages, probably a full half a tin of beans. I would say half a tin of beans and a jack of potato because I got it from the works canteen. And then I had a packet of Walker's Sensation crisps. Then I've absolutely zero clue what I had last night for my tea. I'm thinking, did I have any tea? I'm sure I would have had tea. I had a packet of quavers when I came in the house and a few grape. But no, I know I had a hungry day. I don't think I had any tea. No, I've got absolutely no idea. I think what I'm going to have to do is start writing it down as well on my meal planner that I was proudly showing off in the last video. I'm going to try and use that because definitely writing down helps. So I think at the end of October, I was 14, I might have got 13 and a half a pound. I think that might have been the final weight. So like I say, we're nearly 2 weeks into November, and me latest this month was 11 and a half a pound or 3/4 of a pound. So I do tend to get weighed quite regularly, but for video purposes I'll just put what my latest weight was, and I'll do that like sort of at the end of the month. So thank you for watching, thank you for bearing with us because you know it's taken a while, and I will try and put more of what I eat in a day as well in, because I mean I don't even know if this is helping. Really it's just a thing for me. So I do appreciate you watching my ramblings. Thank you.